This guy is Eimo Koivunen. He was a Finnish soldier during World War II, and the reason he became famous is very interesting. See, he accidentally overdosed himself on methamphetamine while he was at a ski patrol in March 1944. He consumed an entire supply, leading to overdose. At that state allowed him to ski over 400 kilometers through harsh conditions, evading Soviet sources before being rescued from his allies. And first of all, it is interesting to know this story because the lengths armies went to so they can win the war. The human body is amazing and can do things that no one expects. Be better.